awareness of the students to help eliminate sexuality transmitted diseases or the STDs. Good morning and good afternoon, everyone. I hope you are doing well. Today, I would like to discuss the importance of raising awareness among students to help eliminate sexually transmitted diseases, commonly known as STDs. This topic is crucial as the youth population is highly vulnerable to these diseases due to lack of knowledge, misconceptions, and risky behaviors. By promoting awareness, we can empower students to make informed decisions about their sexual health, reduce stigmas, and minimize the transmission of STDs. First, understanding STDs. Definition and prevalence. Provide an overview of what STDs are and their prevalence rates among young adults. The common type of STDs highlights the most common sexually transmitted diseases such as HIV, AIDS, chlamydia, gonorrhea, syphilis, and HPV. The modes of transmission. Explain the various ways in which STDs can be transmitted. Through unprotected sexual contact, sharing needles, or from mother to child during childbirth. Here are some strategies to promote awareness. Number 1 is the comprehensive sexual health education. Advocate for the inclusion of comprehensive sexual health education in schools to provide students with accurate, age-appropriate information about STDs. Number 2 is the awareness campaigns. Encourage hosting awareness campaigns on campuses, including workshops, seminars, and guest speakers from healthcare professionals or organizations specialized in sexual health. Third one is the peer-to-peer education. Highlight the influential role students can play in educating their peers about STDs by organizing awareness events, sharing reliable information, and addressing prevalent myths and misconceptions.